Hi guys, I'm Jiri. What do you think? Is there anything wrong with these sentences?
I need an advice.
We have many homeworks.
There are very little people in the park.
In this lesson, you'll find out how to correct these sentences by learning about the use of uncountable nouns. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. So what are uncountable nouns? To put it simply, there are two types of nouns. Countable nouns, which you can count.
1, 2, 3 potatoes.
And uncountable nouns, which you can't count.
1, 2. I can't count this. Some rice.
Similarly, these nouns are usually uncountable. Sand, milk, juice. Words like these are clearly uncountable, but there are actually quite a few uncountable nouns that can surprise you. Money, news, luggage, homework, weather, bread. If you want to learn more of these, stop the video now. Now that you know some uncountable nouns, let's see how to use them. Let's compare countable and uncountable nouns.
Countable nouns can be singular, an apple, and plural, apples.
Uncountable nouns have only one form: bread.
I eat an apple every day.
I eat bread every day.
I like apples.
I like bread.
So with uncountable nouns, we cannot use a or an, numbers, or make them plural. You can use uncountable nouns on their own.
Please, bring me water. Thanks.
You can often use a, of with uncountable nouns. A piece of information, a bowl of rice, a bottle of water. You can also use some and any with uncountable nouns.
I hope you find some good advice in this video. Do you have any money?
Use a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns. We use much and little with uncountable nouns.
I don't have that much time. I have very little time.
And you can use many and few with plural countable nouns. I have a few good friends. I have many good friends. Notice that if you use little with plural countable nouns, it can mean small in size or cute. I have very little friends. Now that you know everything, can you correct these common mistakes from the beginning of this video? I need a piece of advice. We have a lot of homework. There are very few people in the park. Did you know that popcorn is an uncountable noun? Which other uncountable nouns do you know? Write me in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!